Do you want to shake her hand?
Okay. Aye. Ew. Ew. Okay. Who's going to be the first person?
Kill who?
Come on, who's going to be the first person? Spell out the name.
Come on, you big asshole.
God, that'd be me.
Kill who?
K.
K. Who all starts with K?
KK.
Who's KK?
No.
Ah, you're shy bad.
You're wrong, then. Spell out the name. Who are you going to start with? K. There's nobody here but
With somebody with the initials KK was killed in there, or them had killed.
Could be, aye.
That'd be cool. Super cool.
Was that the person's initials who was killed in here? Okay, thank you. So what are you going to do to us? Are you going to do anything to us?
You're too scared.
My temperatures have dropped.
Aye.
And okay, and
Go to the next letter. Right, I'll tell you what. Tell us who you want us to go and we'll go there. Go there next. You tell us who you want us to go. Come on, who are you going to do your damage if you're going to try and who do you want us to go? Spell it out. I've been a wee while though. You want us to stay here? Aye.
yes. Okay then. If you want us to stay here, there's this thing you've got to do for us. I put a cross over there. Can you go over and knock it down, please? If you can go over and do that, and that even proves that you're here, we'll stay here with you. I'll even go and get my sleeping bag and my pillow. Can you do it for us? Please?
Come on, get a big push.
If that's too hard for you, if you go over to there, there's a little black machine on that stool with a red light on it. Go close to that so it can flash and make a noise. Can you do that? No. You're a wimp.
If you want us to stay here, you'll need to do something for us or I'm going someplace else. I'm going to go to a Scottish castle. Scottish castles are much better.
No.
Okay.
No, that's plants.
Spell it out again, take your time.
name.
Wrong.
You've missed a letter out.
There's two hands, because that other hand's done.
Alright, aye. Oh, friend. Is it this hand or the other hand? If it's this hand here, move the glass.
Try, what's that second name? Spell a second name.
No. Spell where she is from. You just need to go to the first letter. No, you'll need to go to 2.
Llama. Stop taking the piss. Llama. Is the Anne sitting at this table?
If it's the other hand, what part of the country is she from? I should have said it that way. Because it could be a wee town called that.
Aye.
If it's the other hand, what part of the country is she from? You just need to go to two letters into it, and we'll know who you're talking about. Before you finish, I'll tell you you're wrong. See, you've not got a clue, you're thick.